Iron driver. Iron driver. Iron driver. Jesus God. The man go up now Rasta corner when the man makes your and go round. Jesus God.
You lick him up, you pick him up in bunks right back. What a hard man fi dead. Watch it, Jed. Yeah, man, we have our next Peanut Dread video. This I wanna gonna make you laugh so till you know around 10 video and one of them short and sweet and nice. So here we are now. Just like your video for now. By liking the video, you're helping me to grow the channel. It's $0 to like the video. You don't even have to share the video. You don't have to leave a comment. Just like the video. We are running it right now.
Everybody know to plan hang him and shoot him and fight him. Go away, who know dog. Anybody live with dog is as what dog. You hear me one you? Yeah. Dog stink! I want bug pan him bumbo cloth. What me I do with dog around me? And then you have pampas. And you have dead stinking meat with magic snipe pussy cloth. And when you done you talk about me and dog a friend. You fuck dog. You don't know. You dog. You have a dark mind on your boy.
Oh my God, accident. Accident in the place, dog dead. Watch out, yo. Just next I show on the blood.
Brother, we don't want to see dog. We want to hear Peanut Dread. We want to see Peanut Dread. I worst cameraman this in the whole world. He man have a content creator right in front of him. He man have a viral moment right there and then. And I move. We go show with dead dog. What Peanut Dread say about dog? Dog stink. 3 things Peanut Dread hate. Or dislike. Jesus. You two with a pun. Peanut Dread dislike dogs. Peanut Dread dislike fisherman. And Peanut Dread dislike bike. Peanut Dread say about spicy people who are riding bike with the big muffler, load muffler. Anyways, enough video. See, like your video. Moving forward.
You know a blood clot idiot. You have money machine. Me to go walk. Last labor energy and come with money 3-4 months. Full. And me to go walk. Hey, you know a idiot, you know. I made them plan for blood clot kill. And me to sit down and surrender to that. And while me I go walk last energy for money, me have to fuck pussy in the main. You think for fuck woman pussy I the work, boy? Woman lay down on him back, give me them the hard bumbo clot work for do. When me don't do the hard work, worse me do my job good and nothing. I don't have my pocket enough it dead, you know.
So we not to give woman money?
Give your bumbo clot, you go yam shit like.
No man, Peanut Dread meaner than Johnny. Cause Johnny him because he don't want to get woman, he rub one out. If you understand me I say. He use his hand and please himself. But Peanut Dread say, give your clot. Then if you go name, no Peanut Dread. Me have a question right now. Who you love, man or woman? Moving forward.
No some here.
Yeah man, in dead for true. In dead for true, man.
Because anytime you say them no fear, Satan always carry them in a people who if you corner them, right? If they not mad him, then kill him.
Listen me, I don't know what that video was about, but once I see Peanut Dread, you have to just download it, I'll listen to it, I'll make a video it, cause guess what, it gonna make me laugh. Moving forward, this I wanna know, a Peanut Dread and the one Border Cat. You know say two of them a drama. This a conversation is a different conversation because you see how Peanut Dread say he no give woman things. You know what? Watch the video.
Oh, you can't wear. But she lucky she and pussy can't sell a thief if you go to prison. No, we're not woman. Yeah, bye-bye. If you got zeal, I'm not prison. Yeah, bye-bye. Brother. Hey, me buy. You buy. Yes, so when them come and me fuck, we will give them like a food. And if you want one bus here, we give them the yes. Yeah. So you're not about to buy. But that's 3,000 and that's 5,000. You see? We can't afford it, remember this, yeah? Whammy. the robbery about me. You know why you can't afford it? Because you have it.
Who give one a tone name?
And me afford it. And at the end of the day, you still want
Remember, you want the naga say.
So if it costs 10,000, you still have a pay.
Yeah. So she don't want the fuck. Oh, you're going like a
He
big
will
one.
fuck himself.
So you can't back your face?
You do that?
No. But the
You
man-
not do that.
No, but the man.
Oi! Me telling us that the conversation I gotta make you laugh. Yo! I don't even know what to explain about this conversation, but all I know say, me can't stop laugh. When me done this, me have to go watch the video again. But, Peanut Dread said, in bite, but in a pay feed, in like upfront, he pays for it indirectly through taxi fare and buy them food and if they need anything. You see me I say? Oh my God. So, listen. You are watching again or what? No, we are move forward.
Selassie, I know good man, you know.
Eh?
Kill him, brother, forget the throne, you know.
Eh?
What you mean?
But that him a Selassie, when Selassie and the Rasta them a pray, so Rasta a fuck with them.
And him sit down. Then the Rasta no idiot. You
Eh?
see a madman them.
So in a trim.
I know Rasta, I know dreadlocks are Rasta. Me no know Rasta, me no know nothing about Rasta business.
So yeah what?
Me no different from you. Only me here long. Me want money, me want food, me want clothes, me want a woman, me want every fucking thing you want. Where me different? Eh? What a man them that man? And he fuck a bank with money, one car,
Who do that?
one house, no long here one them.
Hmm?
And a pattern ballad and about them a Rasta. Rasta what?
Pat a cuss keckle. Peanut Dread say, and if ever them dark to you see. Peanut Dread I dark is somebody in Jamaica. Where, hey! Well, there's a song, you don't have to dread to be Rasta. It's not a dreadlocks thing. You just give a, you don't know how his song go. I don't really remember it. But Peanut Dread, you're too dark, brother. Moving forward.
And when me look into it now, me say, but that man sensible. Cause if me killer, I no kill myself. For to get away. But when you kill yourself and kill her, you gone after her in the dead world. Same way now when the police can't lock you up. You can't go no jail. Me no know if I go man. I remember him have a cutlass, you know. Right? Him have a cutlass. So, the man will kill woman and not kill himself. He might idiot. The woman get away. Right? But anytime you kill yourself, she no get away. Then you wind there in the dead world at the back of him. Right? So me teach people say you can't coward. Right? You must be brave if you want people yourself too. Anyhow you go people and can't kill yourself, you're a coward man. And make we seal it there so.
The last part. If you're gonna murder somebody, oh my God, if you're gonna off somebody, yeah man, off yourself too. Better yet, off yourself first before you off anybody. Whether a woman or a man, whether you're a rival gang member or somebody who rob you, just off yourself first, man. And see if us taxpayers sitting there send you go to prison if you're off them and not off yourself. As always, violence against women. You know me against that. However, you know say a joke, a comedy, but we gotta edit this. You want to edit me, have to edit this S-H-I-T. But hope you guys had a laugh. But a serious topic. Don't beat her. Don't off her. And if you feel like you need to off her, off your goddamn self. Moving forward.